Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to put a transition onto your clip. So to start, go ahead and drag your video clip onto the timeline. And then what you're going to want to do is go to the Effects tab up top. And then go ahead and find Video Transitions on the right. And then click Dissolve. And then go to Dip to Black. Click and drag that onto the end of your clip. And next what we'll want to do is go ahead and play your video. Wow, there you go. You did it. So if you want to extend the duration of that, go ahead and click on your transition, set transition duration, and yeah, put it any time you want. I'll go ahead and change this to 1 second. All right, nothing happened. Try that again. Okay, well, for some reason it's not working. Well, anyways, if you learned anything, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, maybe tell me what the heck was wrong there. Yeah. So thanks for coming.